You'll all recognise this, the Yamaha 250 DT MX, of course. And nice bikes these, actually, lovely to ride. This one's quite torquey. The 175 is a bit more power bandy, but the 250 is a little bit torquier, although it is slightly heavier. It runs okay. It's been sat for about 3 or 4 years in storage. I got it out the other day. Wouldn't start, of course, because nothing ever does it? I managed to get it running though, and now it just won't idle. So I suspect somewhere in there we've got a blockage in the pilot jet or something like that. So I'm going to strip it all down, take the carb apart, have a quick look inside. Right, let's get started. Main jet out, and I don't know if you can see down it or not. It's not too bad, you can see through it. Doesn't show it on the camera, but it's very slightly smaller. The pilot jet down in this hole here. There it is. Blocked. Just as predicted, eh? Now what we'll do is clear it out. Just going to grab these little mini file things. Brilliant, these are. Start with the smallest one, poke that in the hole. Can't even get it in, to be honest. So finally managed to get the mini file through that little pilot jet. And as predicted, it was blocked. You can see through there, just about. There you go. Make a nice little hole there now. Just give it a little spray with some carb cleaner, and then we'll put it back together. You might want to just clear out any of these holes down in here as well. A little poke through those holes just to make sure all clear, and then we should be good to go.